So this is our Greenstar boiler. We've now had it here. I believe this is our 16th heating season with this unit. So externally, what you're seeing here, basically on the vent side of it, we can go 2-inch PVC, 2-inch you can go 81 feet combined, or you can go 100 foot each way with 8 elbows with it. Same thing, we can twin pipe it outside. The LED's out on the front, all the guides are on the front. We can set our temperature on the front with this icon of a radiator. This is actually a combi unit, okay? We make 4 space heating boilers from 79,000 BTUs to 151,000. All have the ability to run to 20% of the load, from 20 to 100%. We also have 3 combis, a 100, 131, and a 151. Now the 151 will give you 4 gallons a minute domestic hot water at a 72-degree rise. Give you an idea of the hot water it does for domestic. This is the wall hung unit. Everything I see here that you're going to see here, the interns basically also come in a floor mount model. So inside this unit, basically what you got, we have other items that go with it. It's an option to it. And this will basically have dielectrics that union up at the bottom. This is my return. This is my supply, 1.25 inches. We got shut-off valves that go to it. So we have a built-in primary, secondary loop.